I'm Jerry Grugan. I'm your professor. Let's talk about things here. This is Asbury University. Let's talk turkey. I expect you to give it your all. I am here to help you learn. I will learn from you. In my opinion, it's all one great big collaborative process. I'm intrigued. I follow you so far, but expand on that a little. You can't just study on Friday and Saturday. That you can be sure of. But I'm curious to know why that is so. Let's dig a little deeper. You gotta put some effort into it. In my opinion, your logic is quite sound. You're exactly right. Outstanding. Very interesting. Can we get a smile? Listen closely. Let's look at this from another angle. Use your mind. You must be able to write. Research is one of the most important things we can do. Let's talk about hard work. The human mind is amazing. You can do this. Use the library. Let's do some role playing, shall we? I want you to study until your head hurts. Fascinating. Get all the education you can. I'm a little lost. I'm not following your logic. Tell me more. Let's talk about motivation. Is there more than one way to skin a cat? Let's be serious here for a moment, shall we? Let's talk about setting the bar. Let's talk about excellence. Let's talk about criminal justice. Let's talk policing. It's truly one of the unbelievable times in American policing history. Let's discuss Homeland Security. Let's talk about overcrowded prisons. Shall we banter about corrections today? Tell me, what on earth were they thinking? You've just given me an idea. Let's talk about juvenile crime. Let's talk about the different types of policing systems around the world. Let's talk about evidence-based research. Is that really the case, though? Tell me, could we possibly have done such a thing? Is that even possible? Let's talk ethics. Let's talk about intimate partner violence. Let's talk about civil rights in our criminal justice system. You got it. Is that the way it's supposed to be? It is imperative. It is a must. It cannot fail. Let me pose this question. Can we do better? Let me ask you this. Is our criminal justice system the best criminal justice system in the world? I want to know what you think. Not what I think, what you think. Could we do it differently? So then tell me, what are the unforeseen consequences? Can we even do that? Is there a ripple effect? Is that the best course of action? What is the right thing to do? Just because we can do it doesn't mean we must do it. If you build it, they will come. Let's be serious here for a moment, shall we? Do we even know what we're doing? What must we do? Is the criminal justice system in a constant struggle? Let's talk about arrest. Let's talk about evidence-based practice. Okay then, let's talk about the weather. Is there a better way? What alternative did they have? I would like to know, what could they have done? Let's do things a little bit differently. Tell me, what can we do about it? Is that in our best interest? You must think before you say things, especially if you are in the public eye. If you do it right the first time, you won't have to do it again. Be prepared for all possible questions. Not everybody's going to like you. Can't never could do anything. Let's talk about early American policing. Let's divert here for a moment and talk about common sense. Let's talk about alternatives to prisons. Let's talk about victims' rights. Let's talk about restorative justice. Let's talk about civil law and criminal law. Let's talk about John Locke. Let's talk about criminal justice job opportunities. Let's talk about doing what is right. Don't just guess, do the research. If you have statistics available, always use them. Plan things out. You can always adapt. What's possible and what's impossible? Can we really do it like that? Is it even possible? What's going on with that? Would you consider an alternative? Let's talk about gangs. Can we get a smile? You can do this. You got it. Let's be serious here for a moment, shall we? You got it. I gotta tell you, I like that idea. Makes me a little uneasy. Okay then, let's talk about the weather.